YouTube channel.
My name is Eng.Version.
And I am Von, and we are the Swishy. So ayan guys, panibagong video na naman sa araw na to at tatawagin natin itong Tongue Twister English Version. Ayan, 2.0. Ayan.
2.0, yan.
As you can see to our previous video, na nagawa na po namin yung
Tongue Twister but in Filipino, yung Tagalog
version.
Yeah. So may nag-request po kasi sa amin na...
There's a request.
Okay, there's a request coming from our viewers, coming from our subscribers that they requested if we
can do this, then we will try our very best to do our duty to get in the country.
Boy Scout.
Yan, so here's the tongue twister words.
We have here the phrase,
the
tongue twister that we're going to speak out,
or to spoke.
Right, past tense.
And there's a consequence.
Yes, of course.
Bitches.
So the rubrics or the criteria
for judging.
We're going to pick
Kaya nyo yan?
we're going to pick a paper where indicated here the tongue twister already.
If we cannot do it
clearly
or if we can read it perfectly,
very good.
we drink 1 glass of water.
A full glass of water.
Yes.
So, but what if
if you right, then I left. if we can do it perfectly, well, it's perfect. Yeah, there's big round of applause.
Yes.
That's right. Yeah.
Well, anyway,
let's do this.
Without further ado, let's start the game.
Yes.
So,
okay.
who will pick first?
You gonna pick first.
So we're gonna start picking one.
Yeah, if there's a timer, the timer will start if I get the paper.
Really?
and if who is the fastest one
will be the winner.
Yeah, the fastest one who can speak perfectly. Winner. And the slower is the
one who will
drink
the consequence.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, anyway, let's start picking again. Let's start.
Okay, your timer starts now.
Start.
9 nice night nurses nursing nicely.
3:54. 3 seconds 54 kineme. Oh, game 1, 2, 3, start.
9 nice night nurses nursing nicely.
3:15.
9 nice night.
Okay. I won, so Ahadi will drink a full glass of water and with nor cubes pork.
I lose, guys.
Yeah, because
I think you should cheer me so that I can, boost my confidence, boost my fighting spirit to win the game next.
Yes.
I cannot hear your cheer. Come on. Cheer me up. Cheers. Okay?
Cheers!
Cheers, guys.
Gusto mo yan, ha? Ikaw nag-request yan.
Excuse me, I'm full.
Yeah, you should. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
It's hard to speak in English,
Start now.
Irish wristwatch, Swiss wristwatch. I wish to wash my Irish I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Yan.
Uy. 18.
18 seconds?
18:10 pero napin...
Okay.
18.
18.
Wait. Timer starts now.
Irish wristwatch with
Mali.
Irish wristwatch, Swiss wristwatch. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch.
Mali.
Irish nga, Irish Baklat ka na kayo makulit nga. Baklat ako naman ako. I'm right. I'm good.
Reset. Timer starts now.
Iris wristwatch, swish wristwatch. I wish to watch my Iris wristwatch, which wristwatches are swish wristwatches.
10.
Tara mo na yung wrist.
Wristwatch.
Oo.
Wash my
Wristwatches.
wristwatch with.
Yung swish pa nakakabulol.
I know this. So
Cheers.
I'm gonna drink.
That's why, guys, I need more power to cheer me there. I can't really hear you guys, so cheer me up again.
No. Okay.
Okay,
Go.
it's my turn.
Yeah.
It's my turn to pick paper.
Timer starts now.
A tidy tiger tied a tiger to tidy her tiny tail.
6:30. Reset. Timer starts now.
A tidy tiger tied a tie tighter to tie her tiny tail.
4:56.
Ano, 6 ba ako? 6 ako?
5:30.
Ay!
5 lang. Kasi
Okay.
yung 30 kanina hindi ko na.
It's your turn. Full.
Sapay kakain na tayo.
Oh my God! I'm full.
I'm fully booked. Fully beaded.
fully garbage.
Okay, I will pick another one. Oh, it's so long story.
Timer starts now.
Betty butter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put in my butter, it will make my butter bitter.
8:20.
Butler.
Butter!
8:20. Timer starts
Mali.
now.
Betty butter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put in my butter, it will make my butter bitter.
7:53.
Ha! Lakaye?
I'm busy, guys. I'm busy. Sure.
But there's a benefits of drinking more water.
Stay hydrated, everybody, okay?
Hindi na makakakain.
Wait, I need to breathe.
You need to breathe.
Gusto niya yan.
Okay, it's my turn again. You know, I got goosebumps though.
1. Ay, hindi pa pala.
Here's it.
1, 2, 3, go.
A big black bear made the big black bear bleed blood.
5:62.
Bleed blood.
5:62 ah. Timer starts now.
A big black bug bit a big black bird, made the big black bird bleed blood.
5:41. 5:62.
Oh my God!
Nabulol ako sa beer.
Okay.
Big black bear.
Drink this
Gusto
for you
niya yan.
to become hydrated because your mother is Hydra and your
Hydro.
father is Hydro.
Can I vomit first?
Kami natira pa.
That's enough.
Yeah, gusto mo yan ha?
I suggest that the consequence must be, something like new.
I'm drunk.
It's
Okay.
Ilan pa yung inuman yan? 4. Timer starts now.
Fresh fried fish, fish fresh fried, and fish fried fresh.
Fish?
3:46.
3:46.
Fish fried.
Bisaya! Bisaya!
Okay, it's my turn.
Pinamemorize mo lang
Eh,
Okay.
Reset. 3:46. Timer starts now.
Fresh fried fish fresh fried, fish fried fresh.
3:3.
I won. It's something like we're just alternating the consequences,
Ano na?
So do I.
Pati yung yellow, hey?
Okay, I think it's my turn to pick. Easy. You should relax when you are drinking water because it might choke you. Chop?
Choops.
Chups. Chupa chups. Okay, and...
Timer starts now.
Sick, hicks, nick, slick, bricks with picks and sticks.
4:32.
Ay!
4:32, reset. Timer starts now.
6 hicks, knit 6 click bricks with
Slicks.
picks and sticks.
Six
Uy!
licks, bricks.
Kaya nga. Oh.
I won.
4:70!
But for 7.
O sabihin mo na best 4:60.
Oh.
Won pa rin siya. 4:32 lang siya eh.
Baka malaya ka, Neng.
For sure. Ano nakakaloka yung tongue twister?
Tatanggalin ko lang yung-
six, click, bricks.
Totoo,
with picks
nabubusog
and
na
sticks.
Yung
kayo.
belt ko, yung belt
With
bag
picks
ko.
and sticks.
At least, tubig.
I think it's your turn to pick.
Parang marami kami makakain. Kami marami makakain na kanin.
Parang,
Dalawa na lang.
You know, guys,
baka sa'yo yung dalawa, sure ako.
this tongue twister is... It's hard.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, but we're enjoying it.
Ako din naman nakikiinom ng tubig.
Ala! Ito yung pinaka-ayaw ko.
Peter Piper.
Pep.
Peter Piper Pan, ganas.
Oo.
Timer starts now.
Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers. A pick of pickled peppers. Peter
Nasa
Piper
likod yung
pick-
iba.
Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers. Where's the pick of pickled peppers Peter Piper pick?
14:49.
Oh my God!
I think I'm gonna lose this game.
14:49 na siya.
Wait.
Okay.
14:49. Ready.
Timer starts now.
Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers. A pick of pickled peppers Peter Piper pick. If Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper pick? I'm ready, guys. You know, I knew this tongue twister before, but I don't memorize it. But you know, the way I read this, it's kind of sliding. My tongue slides.
Fang, you're a fang.
My tongue slides through. So yeah, I'm fortunate. I'm lucky.
I think my belt bag is fully beaded. And fully booked. There's no space for new messages.
There you go.
Cheers for the sake of our... Ay, para rin sa mga nagugutuman dahil.
I think this is my last.
Mhm.
This is our last. So guys, this is our last tongue twister.
Ano, ayoko
And-
hindi ako makatayo.
I hope I'm gonna win this
No.
fight.
Timer.
Sabi para tama ba? Para
Go.
Timer starts now.
Old Mother Hunt had a rough cut pant, not a pant cut rough, but a rough cut pant. Pad kid word card, full cold.
10:14.
My God, help me guys.
Timer starts now.
Old mother had a rough cut pant, not a pant cut rough, but a rough cut pant. Pad kid poured card cold.
8.
She mispronounced the third. She said card, but it's third. You're fool.
Bakla, inumin mo naman at talo ka na nga dahil mo sinasabi.
But anyway, you know,
Wait,
but
parang na-shake na yung...
I still won though.
Lamang lang ako ng isa.
Yeah, but I still won. Oh my goodness.
Okay, guys, so that's it for our content for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the bell button and don't also forget to like, share,
And
subscribe to our YouTube channel. And
also, if you have any suggestions, challenges or other content that you wanted to let us do for the next vlog, don't forget to comment down below and we're going to review it. We're going to do it for the next content. And also, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, of course. It is Swishy Birds.
yeah, so I think we need to finish this one because my stomach is like, oh my god, my tummy is angry. And yes. So, once
My
again,
name is Eng.Version.
and I am Bo,
And
and we are the Swishy Bird. Bye!